Hey, Acomodo Crypto here with our Bitcoin update. It hasn't moved much in the past 24 hours. Yeah, it appears to be forming a bullish flag. Yeah? We have here the pole. Yes, and here the flag. This is the pattern. Okay, this is 4 hours. Okay, the discussion here is whether or not we have finished this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure. Are you? I'm not sure. Because we have here a lot of price action, a lot of interest in this region here that would be our wave 2. See, this, if we trace from the top to this high here, that would be our high if we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have this region here that is our 618, 65%. So have we finished this impulse wave? I am tempted to say that we have not yet finished it. Why? Because this is not a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think it's the price section is more of a 1, 2, 3. Then we have this long wave 4, and then we will have a 5. Okay, I might be wrong though. Yes, I might be wrong. It's possible. It's possible that I say, okay, it's not a wave 4. It was a wave 2 of this, right? We would be in this purple count here already. We would have already finished this lower degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside within this purple one, and would go to this 3, then 4 and 5. Yes. This is not a bullish count. This is not the bottom, at least in my opinion. This is not the bottom. I'm not calling the bottom, and I would be extremely cautious to say that anyone knows where the bottom is. Okay, we don't know the bottom. This is a forecast. Okay, this is a polite guess. Okay, this is nothing but an attempt to pave the way on which we are going to trade, on which I am going to trade at least. I'm giving my opinion here, nothing but my opinion. Okay, nothing else but my opinion. Um, I am assuming this is a 4 hour chart. I am assuming this is a rather lower time frame, but in a higher time frame. This is another count, A, B, C. We would be going down to finish our C. I don't think the price action is showing here that we are in a kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at least I'm gonna keep this count, but I'm not inclined to believe that we are going down in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse down wave. I don't think, but I am more inclined to discount here an A, B, C, and then we would finish B right at this the pitchfork upline, and would go down to finish our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, and then we would finish wave C and finish wave Z. Time will tell. Yes. A, B. If we go down, I don't think we have finished A though, right? We haven't finished A though. we are in this situation. This would be a, bear in mind, this would be A within this A here. A within A, so we would have an A, B, C here to finish A. Okay, we need to move this a little bit to the future. Move a little bit to the right. We need more time for this to develop. Way more time, I think. Way more time. See, we need to do like this. Yes, this is a very bearish count. I understand, and it would take a lot of time to finish this count. Yes, some people don't like it, don't like the idea that we are correcting for so long. But that's how markets are. You have a parabolic impulse wave like this. Oh my goodness. You need time to correct. We 1063 days in this impulse wave from 2015 to 2017 December, and then we are correcting for like nothing. 197 days. At least this is my way of viewing it. Okay, this is the way that I see the correction. So we would need to finish this A, then we would have a B here, and then a C. And then we are doing this now. We are doing our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing 3, then we need to put a 4 here, and then a 5. The price action here kind of support us here. Right? If you look here, we have interest. Here we have a bit of a price of buyers and sellers interest. Yeah. So I think that the BVR is showing us that this count is likely to happen. Right? Is likely to happen. I don't know if we are going to, if we need 1 or 2 more days to have to get out of this bullish flag pattern, because see, a bullish flag is a lower highs and lower lows. Okay, we are going to form these lower highs and lower lows. If we go to 1 hour though, we would see that it's way more difficult to understand, to see that is a bullish flag. Okay, if you go to 1 hour, it's not that much. You can see that it's a bullish flag there. I'm not counting the wicks. Okay, I'm not counting. I'm considering only the body of the candle. This region here would be the region of the retracement, the correction. Okay, if we get our fib retracement tool, 1, 2, 3, we would be like here. Okay. Yeah, this is 30-50%. We haven't reached there yet. Are we gonna take a lot of time to reach there? Imagine this, if we go like, let me zoom this in. Imagine that if you want, if Bitcoin, not us, but if Bitcoin wants to really take time and go like this, I'm sorry, let me correct this, those trend lines here. Yes, like this. I'm sorry, my cell phone was kind of bugging me. Let me put in 4 hours. I don't want a lot of data, not for now, not for this moment. I want a little bit less data. Okay. Not the most beautiful bullish flag. So if we allow time for this 4 to develop, we would need a lot of time for this to keep this pattern and go to 38, 20% or 50%. So imagine that we are going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down until we reach 38, 20%. Then we would have a reaction. Is this likely? Why not? Why not? That's what the beauty of the Elliott waves and the market is. It's possible. I'm not breaking any rules here. This could be a wave too, though. Like I said, I have this count in my mind. I have this as I have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves here. So we would need to put 5 here instead of 3. We need to put 3 like here, and we would have a shallow wave 4 here. I have this in mind. This would be an alternate count for me, and then we would need to wait for this 2 here. So if we see that the price is going down and down, and then we see this shape is not really keeping itself, it's like going down and reaching this region here, I would buy. I would start buying at 50%. I would buy I would ladder my buys, right? Starting here. Starting here, then I'm sorry. Come on. Why not? It's not working. Here. Oh, damn. I would need to start here, and I would go like this. I would start here, and I would ladder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50% of my position each time. I would ladder until 78, 60%. And if it goes up, okay. And I would put a stop loss here at my 100%. Why? Because it might go down, and this would be completely wrong. Okay, we are not certain. That's the thing. I would start buying at 38, 20%. I would ladder my buys here. Yeah? I would start laddering it here. Yeah? All the way down to this 78, 60%. And then I would put a stop loss here. I would put a stop loss here. Or, yes, at the beginning of my allegedly wave 2, because it wouldn't be wave 2 any longer. It would invalidate my count. Yeah, and then I would put my stop loss right here. If it goes up, it would be a really nice profit. It would be a beautiful ride. But if it doesn't, then we stop loss it. Yeah, we stop loss here, and then we reconsider the count. That's what we as traders, this is how we should approach Bitcoin and all the others altcoins out there. Okay, so this is my update. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like it, please subscribe and like the video, of course, and keep watching me. I will pretend to release a update every day with my Bitcoin update, and in the future with altcoins update. Okay, follow me on Twitter, because here I post my shorts with my opinion. Okay, I will have plenty of different shorts, and that's it. Thank you very much for your attention and for your patience, and we see each other on the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.